Have you ever wondered what happens when you eat oatmeal every single day? Imagine this. The sun's just peeking out, your house is still sleepy, and you're making a warm bowl of oatmeal. It happens in kitchens all over the world. Oatmeal is a cozy, filling way to start your day. People love it because it's healthy, with lots of fiber, vitamins, and good stuff. But is eating oatmeal every day really as good as everyone says? Or is there more to the story? What's in oatmeal? Like any good mystery, the answer to how oatmeal affects your body isn't simple. So let's dive into the science behind this breakfast superstar. First, let's figure out what's actually in that bowl of oats. Oatmeal isn't just a yummy way to start your day. It's packed with stuff that's good for you. This means that along with that warm, comforting feeling, you're giving your body a boost of important nutrients. Let's break down what makes oatmeal so healthy. The star of the show is fiber, especially a kind called beta-glucan. This special fiber does all sorts of good things for you. It helps your digestion, keeps your heart healthy, and can even help you manage your weight. Here's a quick look at some other awesome things in oatmeal: vitamins and minerals. Oatmeal has B vitamins for energy, iron to keep your blood strong, and magnesium for healthy muscles and bones. Protein. It's not a ton of protein, but oatmeal does give you a little extra, which helps you feel full and satisfied. Antioxidants. These little helpers protect your cells from damage, which is important for staying healthy overall. So, remember, that bowl of oatmeal isn't just about the cozy feeling, though that's important too. It's a simple way to sneak a whole bunch of good stuff into your day. But, like any mystery, the story doesn't end there. What does all this goodness do for your body? Oatmeal, the carbohydrate. We know oatmeal is packed with good stuff, but there's something else we need to talk about. Carbohydrates. You see, oatmeal has a lot of carbs, about 68% of what's in that bowl. Carbs are our body's main source of energy, but they can be tricky, especially for people watching their blood sugar. Here's the thing. When you eat carbs, your body breaks them down into sugar, which enters your bloodstream. Your body then releases a hormone called insulin to help manage this sugar rush. Sometimes, especially with simple carbs found in things like candy or white bread, you get a big spike in blood sugar followed by a crash. This isn't great for your energy levels or overall health. Oatmeal is a bit better than simple carbs, but it can still cause some increases in blood sugar. This can be a problem if you're trying to manage your weight, have diabetes, or have other health concerns. But there's more to the story. While oatmeal does have a lot of carbs, remember that special fiber we talked about? That fiber helps slow down digestion, which means your body absorbs the carbs from oatmeal more gradually. This leads to less of a spike in blood sugar compared to some other high-carb foods. So, what does all this mean? It means oatmeal probably isn't going to ruin your health, but it's also not a magical food. The carbohydrate content is something to keep in mind, especially if you have health concerns. In the next section, we'll look at some of the good and potentially not so good ways oatmeal might affect your body. Blood sugar and oatmeal, not always a sweet deal. Remember those carbs we talked about? They have a big impact on your blood sugar. Oatmeal may seem healthy, but remember, it's packed with carbs. And these aren't slow, steady carbs. They're the kind your body breaks down quickly. Imagine eating a bowl of oatmeal. All those carbs turn into sugar and rush into your bloodstream. That's what causes a blood sugar spike. Why should you care about blood sugar spikes? Energy crashes. That quick spike in blood sugar is often followed by a crash, leaving you feeling tired and grumpy. Hunger. Pangs. Spikes and crashes mess with your hunger signals, making you feel hungry again sooner, which can lead to overeating. Long-term health. Over time, too many blood sugar spikes can increase your risk for things like diabetes and heart disease. But wait, doesn't oatmeal have fiber? Yes, it does, and that helps a bit. Fiber slows down how quickly those carbs hit your system, so the spike isn't as bad, but it doesn't cancel out the effect entirely. If you're worried about your blood sugar, oatmeal might not be the best everyday breakfast choice. So, is oatmeal bad for you? Not exactly. But it's important to understand how all those carbs can affect your body. In the next section, we'll look at some more of oatmeal's potential benefits and drawbacks. Fiber to the rescue. Okay, oatmeal has a lot of carbs, which can mess with your blood sugar. That's the bad news. But here's the good news. Remember all that fiber we talked about? Fiber is your friend. Think of it like this. Those carbs from oatmeal are like a bunch of excited kids rushing into a party. Without fiber, they all burst through the door at once, causing chaos. That's your blood sugar spike. But fiber acts like a bouncer, slowing the kids down and making them enter the party in an orderly line. This is what happens in your body too. Fiber slows down how quickly your body absorbs the sugar from oatmeal. This means a gentler rise in blood sugar instead of a big spike. The special fiber in oatmeal, beta-glucan, is even better at this than some other types of fiber. What does this mean for you? Less extreme. Blood sugar swings. Fiber helps prevent those nasty crashes that leave you tired and hungry. Feeling full. Fiber makes you feel fuller for longer, which can help you eat less overall. Other benefits. Fiber has tons of other good stuff going for it. It helps your digestion, supports heart health, and may even lower cholesterol. Key point. Fiber doesn't make all of oatmeal's carbs disappear, but it definitely helps soften the blow. In our next section, we'll look at some other potential benefits of eating oatmeal. The oatmeal verdict. So should you eat oatmeal every single day? Here's the thing. There's no simple yes or no answer. It depends. Let's recap the important stuff we've learned. The good. Oatmeal has fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These are all things your body needs to stay healthy. The fiber especially can help with blood sugar control, digestion, and feeling full. The not so good. Oatmeal is high in carbs, and those carbs can affect your blood sugar if you're not careful. For some people, this might not be a big deal. For others, it could be something to think about. It's all about you. Everyone's body is different. What works for one person might not work as well for someone else. The bottom line. Oatmeal can be part of a healthy diet, but it shouldn't be the only thing you eat. Variety is important. Try mixing it up with other healthy breakfasts like eggs, yogurt, or fruit. What's the best way to figure this out? The most important things are to talk to your doctor, especially if you have any health concerns, and to listen to your body. How do you feel after eating oatmeal? Do you have energy or feel sluggish? Experiment and see what works best for you. Remember, food should be nourishing and enjoyable. Let that be your guide. If you have specific health concerns or dietary goals, let's talk about how oatmeal could fit into your plan. Leave a comment below, and I'll share some personalized tips.